Hey, looking to earn some real cash online? I've got you covered, but first, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I'm always looking to make videos tailored for your country. Alright, let's get straight to it. Today, I'm exposing a legit way to make money online with what's called a PTC site, or paid to click. The site we're diving into is called GAB, and it's available pretty much anywhere in the world. So, what actually is a PTC site? Basically, you get paid for clicking on ads and sometimes doing a few extra tasks. Super simple, right? Let's break down how GAB works and how you can turn your spare time into extra cash. First, view ads. This is the classic way to earn on PTC sites. GAB offers 5 types of ads: daily ads, featured ads, tiny ads, fixed ads, and bonus ads. If you're aiming for the highest rewards, focus on daily, featured, and tiny ads. All you have to do is click an ad, let it load for a few seconds, and once it confirms you watched it, close it out and move on to the next one. That's it. Second, paid offers. These are a little more involved but can pay even more. GAB paid offers might ask you to answer a survey, take a quiz, register on a site, download an app, or play a quick game. Or just watch a video. Easy stuff you're probably already doing online, but now you get paid for it. Third, grid games. These are kind of fun. You pick a number from 1 to 30 on a grid and each opens an ad. After you watch it, you'll find out instantly if you've won a prize like points or even some cash. It's basically a mini lottery every time you click. Fourth, Bitcoin. If you're into crypto, this one's for you. Click the Earn Bitcoins tab on GAB and you'll get redirected to a site called GAB PTC. There, you can earn Bitcoin just by visiting other sites. It's a nice bonus if you want to stack some crypto while you're at it. Lastly, referral program. If you want to build up some passive income, share your referral link with friends. Every time they join and earn, you get a cut. Simple as that. Now let's talk payouts. Once you hit just $3, you can cash out through Payer or Perfect Money. Not bad for a bit of clicking, right? So, what do you think? Would you give GAB a try? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe with notifications on so you never miss out on future ways to earn extra cash online. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.